Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sell on KuCoin. First, access your KuCoin account using your credentials. It's crucial to have your funds ready for trading. If your cryptocurrency is in your main account, you will need to transfer it to your trading account. This ensures you can execute trades smoothly and efficiently. The transfer process is quick, usually taking only a few seconds. KuCoin offers several ways to sell your crypto. You can opt for spot trading for quick market execution, or P2P trading if you prefer direct transactions with other users. Another convenient option is the convert feature, which allows for a simple, one-click exchange. Each method caters to different needs, so choose the one that best suits your selling strategy and desired speed. For spot selling, go to the trading interface and select your desired trading pair, like BTC versus USD. You can choose a market order for instant execution at the current price, or a limit order to set your preferred selling price. Enter the exact amount of crypto you wish to sell. Double-check all details before confirming your order to ensure accuracy and avoid errors. Once your sell order is complete, transfer the funds from your trading account back to your main account. From there, you can initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account or an external cryptocurrency wallet. Always verify the recipient address and amount thoroughly. Be aware that withdrawal fees typically apply, and processing times can range from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.